everyone, this is my 8 weeks portfolio, and I'm going to be sharing my experience with you all. My experience has been absolutely great, and throughout these 8 sessions, I not only learned 2 amazing choreographies, I also learned how to choreograph my own, and the special note is I also made new friends. Also, I got such a amazing teacher, and that's Siridi. She's the sweetest teacher I've ever got. She's the best, and she teaches everything so simply, but it's just so amazing. Like, it's just fabulous. Her choreographies are just wow, and I she is the dancer which actually motivates me and inspires me the most. And also, the best part is I get to learn from her. And also, talking about Dishadi, she is my club mentor, my tribe mentor, and she's the best. She's never doing like, I'm gonna tell you later. She's always, yeah, tell me right now what happened. And she's always clearing out my doubts, whether I ask it 1 time, 2 times, or maybe 10 times. She's always so sweet, and she keeps on a great time, and also she answers all my questions really like nicely, and I get it. So thank you Dishadi, thank you Siridi, and thank you everybody.